Kia Rear Occupant Alert, standard on all Telluride models. The system is designed to provide 3 separate alarms, alerting the driver that someone may be left in the second or third row seats. First alert. A chime sounds and a check rear seats message appears on the instrument panel when the car is turned off. If ultrasonic sensors detect movement in the rear of the vehicle after the vehicle is turned off and locked, the horn will blast approximately 20 seconds later. If the driver has installed the Kia Access app on their smartphone and activated the Rear Occupant Alert notification, an alert will be sent to their phone. To function, Rear Occupant Alert must be activated via the vehicle controls as described in the owner's manual. To receive smartphone alerts, a compatible device must be used and the Kia Access app downloaded and activated. Rear Occupant Alert is not a substitute for one's attention and may not detect all movement within the vehicle. Always check the vehicle's interior when exiting the vehicle.